Every day, at GreenWEEE facilities reach for recycling all types of waste, from small to large household appliances, IT equipment, cables, batteries, and also waste from the automotive industry. Our mission: a new life for waste electrical and electronic equipment by recovering them and making them into secondary raw materials. We started our story in 2009, and we now own 2 facilities in Romania, in Buzau and Campia, Turzii. Until today, we have saved more than 2 million tons of carbon dioxide through our recycling activity, and we are WEEE certified, an internationally recognized label of excellence for the treatment and recycling of electronic waste. Waste electrical and electronic equipment is made from materials degrading in thousands of years, including toxic substances, and if not managed properly, can have negative environmental and health effects. That's why, at GreenWEEE, we provide modern and safe recycling services for all electrical or electronic equipment. The correct separation of materials is essential for the finished products, as they improve the production process of end users. Therefore, in order to be used as a resource, the electrical equipment follows a series of advanced technological processes in the production lines. Specific and complete treatment in state-of-the-art facilities, avoiding the diversion of pollutants, compliance with international standards, together with the experience of our staff, allows us to give the waste electrical and electronic equipment a new life.